yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane.
Right, ene juada na twede abonyan kopada roma ordinanso acheye. Emra so se ye hwede djumade atno de sinupi etumi adebra bia hwe efri bia no yemo ajo yemo ha ne yensan emo akwaba ne yatrasie na yenyamre edi nkomo ewo my Ghana nsema hodo yesisi. In fact mo the weekend a ye betena se enne no enye fusa enye desa nsam no nyakra oba Kumasi abontene so a nipa bebre especially in CIS constituency a lot of people na enei omo eka kire yese omo adwuma chekura no na nan no num no nsia no apon ko fie bize said the crime rate no man hom no so e wa sentimentem no enya agro. Last week beginning the week no na adjust eduma se district and constituency in the Ashanti region where we had one Metro Kaka na susempeni from bi ko bo no ekun no my na so ma sifona so jafon so ko tutu meni pa menu e fa so hwere o monkwa e wo ho ne nsam no akopie mu e o court. The revelations are free nsam no ho e ba residents a omone kaka etifie mu ma omo do ne hu bie afie no manya kokuduro ba bonten abekire mu de si ankase mu tese da bi enye pa boni fo bia de bekun no ne mo no ankase ne nua etutu mu ncho ayi na kwatena Nigeria as hene be 20 years a no ani shada mo bra asa ma me ne pe kaka asem sen ono ntino on da bia no na ono no e won tokwa na mso mo no kaka. The evidence a omo de akoma police for se omo bani hu bie se enye pa boni ni bia de bekun no ne mo no ankase ne nua e de kun no wenyamre na yenu atimi achebi ene awie sanso e na yenyamre abowura mum fe yiase in Ashanti region of Ghana Kumasi fe yiase ya udru atonsu a na se stress fe yiase de haya askwa ena afi so no kontanse bosomtwe sorry askwa ene bosomtwe constituency within ena fe yiase ebutu na ho ena oticha ni ba ko ono trade o private school wa tonsu so ko ne girlfriend ho yusu uba ena manfo bi eye uba na so wombra oba ye no a je omndere fine omakochi na kuna twa ne tiefri so amene ka sei itenda baabi ena nipadua na kasa nso no eda baabi no mobile phone eda ne nchen ne sika eda ho ansan so na yinu kwa free so a ne ka omo na wotwi no aye uba white no ka no so si ho omo amfa na hwe ye kuna twa ne tiefri so a in fact kopi mo na re ho papa wo hwe se nipa ye twa ne tina firi ne kwan achi na ya tene tina firi so ne mo ja pram kwabra ne chai God abusia are ho And then this morning, in Shason, so a month for no power, be in the shop na the Tojan, so for Scanabra, now I didn't back. It's so sad, it's so terrible in Ashanti region. In fact, a hard pie, ni Yamre, now you didn't come on the issue of insecurity in our country. And then, and air cost for what we say, and they Makalanso, I was pa, ye major the four mushroom, Japadi, na Yako, say Ija, Cassia, Makola Muma, Jano, near man near Japadi, I say, or Makola in the Greater Accra region, and Yagro cry. Well, and then yet, and then Monday, but then yet, a time to say, yeah, now we learn a lot of lessons from what is happening. But then the best security is you before any security personnel crown or everything about home buying. But I can tell you, say, all is not well as it stands now. All is not well. Our security personnel must beef up. In fact, an Emmanuel cry said here, an Emma AC corner, Tokoswa, he said, yeah, a hard pa, Yensere, Yadamwa, or driver, a quiet fast driver, and yet, who are Jumamu or driver who fear. Everybody seems to feel insecure in this country, especially those we are living with in Kumasi here. The challenges, the problems, and then what have you is too many for us. And I think, say, Omabeni, if it is the security personnel now also more Juman Abia or from what transfers can come in, or at least there could be some changes for us to feel others and see, say, hey, Bia. Na ebimo na bia omo tutu ye no from one. Let's see if you can bring in others also to come and support, because in fact enye enkoye kra here in Ashanti region benyamre na na police for so di nkomo de ekoso wo e wa Asante mantem ha hon komo so benya tafo de esi here last time just enye kra busafo enye kra enyamre na yetumi edi hon komo no say K University and also SRC vetting hon komo say Katanga for hon SRC vetting abusia na eno no ba kwa kone de awie konti na ye ntokwa kese pa ma, but then the PRO for K University is telling us say on be sade no he believes there are students who have been in the school and have been sacked who are the performance and the attitude ye inadi some grofo no and am person mo university ni jenim guase e ma omo etimi ye sade na enkola no na adesuafo no de ko boy ni ana nya agroma say na nya kra e o K University and so is within the Ashanti region of Ghana. Why then RTU and so ne is a bofakwa be United so kokobobo na on Friday and some of us yet in TSM microphone say be a phone say RTU for the bar on the referee no players no so because a referee no why be never be paying now security personnel and me anya we will show you the video of the referee ya bo referee ma referee no je ko yin twitwa you try referee go from now post ni ba ni abono. What is happening in this country? What is actually happening? I'm penny without my own account here. We start from we start here say o man no obehwe so babo ye ho ban o me ho masem nipa ne ho masem the rate at ye ho ba asem no doso serewa ni die mu a ma homre so na entimi mu ho so benyamre na yetumi edi ho enkomo wonu say nei COVID-19 Delta variant no and also at me am municipal enya groma the information eba and said the cases no kwa na air course through am some senior high schools and em pese be school no ama ofo no ase mabama bu kakra some senior high schools kwa no asha say recorded a new variant na e fa Delta variant on COVID-19 no emu no so emu ya dia emu odin pa we say ha se na ye san ebo ye ho ba bi so de be yare no entumi emfa ye mfrimu entumi emfa nko no so nkobo ewo ha benyamre na yetumi ade wonu say justice march for justice demuno they said the NDC is set to have it tomorrow na ekwa no so me fa so na dade no o so mo yen sai kakra ewo mu but eku ahodo bia no pesa mo kan NDC on the bar say atwa mo freedom event say work no emu we no the youth wing of the NDC and almost say justice for all demo nyame adoma o chena ebenan omo de bobo so pa e o man Ghana and also enyagro no so nkomo John Dramani Mahama is the leader of the NDC, former president of the Republic of Ghana, and then former leader of the NDC in 2020 general elections. Ono there to Jakarta NDC for nyina say umunya botre no umunya okudro sanya dan ya bato no nyankopon ya adom 2024 de said the embassy said the Ghana for kwanya mistake and sign and to another okufo na MPP so bio na de ba ko kan ye ene say Ghana for nyina uma yan kamum na yentumi enyi NPP mfamfiri ho se Baumia na Nado enyum mfiri ho na afi yemfa NDC entumi mra no mo ene ba ene ma betumi akoso ede ma my Ghana be nyamre na analyze the statement from the John Dramani Mahama under John let it say ena kofo na Nado so etisen under John. How was it? How was the security in our country under John? How was the employment in our country under John? How was roads in our country in terms of infrastructures? Not saying under John and a nay under Kufu, and so it is saying, are you okay with the Kufu? And I say, oh, think he says, Sankofa, you are, and I Jibinamre, Nano so yet to me at the home and come on, and so it will fear. Edika catch you, say, Kumasi Mayo, me are more for says eventually. I dare say, or say, what Pians and saying, or not encobu, Ibinamre, Nadi ho, and come dress shootings, and also Encomo, Ewaha, and then other issues. Face the country, the monosono, Amiadwa, August 4th, and I also know Basso, the Nepa, and also so any agro. Currently, as it stands, coronavirus active cases now are rising to 1,674, any active case of coronavirus no a day I could do into now I say more thing it is likely the president will reintroduce the directives no any protocols no any sanctions and no essence wa emwa no mi no de enkoso na ye mo ye ho ban na afi entimi emo nei ye transe na ye tin common panifa kase mi no na mo join ye na yetumi edin komo studio so awadwenche no de beba na enyamre akenkan ede ama ho numbers no egu screen ase no wo de fa WhatsApp a bekenkan ede ama voice note manemrantem enyamre so entumi emo emfa ema voice note the same line na de fa so ba enyamre etumi abode ama ho messages how do you na fa fa na yetumi enkenkan emfa ko Facebook a Kumawood TV on Facebook, Kumawood TV on YouTube, Kumawood TV wo de fa enyamre na afi no na ase o join e so a obetimi ajoin e na afi enyamre ene wo edi nkomo fa ye channel fa Facebook na yetimi enkenkan emfa ema na ye na busuafo ase ye na dofo ase mo be gya ye obra na kwadwo donko ewura donko na donko 120 years ewo fumuso anwona fiada memenda kwesere nso eto nyina munya mre be gya busua ewura kofi afi na afi ofaya pense na afi ma me sofo munyina na busuafo nyina se da ubia ase ya mo hwere bia ntwedi ampankasa on hyemu anemu bia no entimi nkoso da fo nyina ase mo munya kwa be gya ye ma oluman ye call celebrity no live world emulation ulma don call 120 years na grandpa unya e no bibia ase na nkoso ensto nyame se da mo hwere bia no twedi ampon ontimi enhye manemu ha Kumawood TV the program is Sinopi live ye na afi ye ntwa ye ho sema enye abafo nka tomra ye ba enyamre na afi yetumi Sinopi
animudia me manfo nye bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo oma asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom obi wo amene wo kasa stroke achino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya adwuma memene da okay kwesi da edwo da ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini emo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi o ho na wodi no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba bonten enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be ko say abeye mremre okay wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center. Ebenada bia 7 to 9 p.m. And then here Kumawood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu eno suko na o how eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo. Etwere yare bia edam usika na ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold na opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kachi kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
and yarwa wodo ben na agi ni padua no aboso yarwe bi ti se eni yarwe akoma yarwe wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo me kanfo tahwid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yarwe nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie ni padua no ni titiw ede ma emma wonoma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonica eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso ye de aba adwaman so ye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic ewo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne ewo Madam Katri clinic yarwe nyina last stop
FD ya hwehwe sei dwadi ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
well all kia obusa say iflimu why the den it is slower we na fa kokko we na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa ni say no mo ye den ma me ti we we na no yere na mfa nkonkoye tiduma na ma me why slower
ebusa yenko no Kumase
munko no Kumase
Martin Luther
oh na it's been a long time oh yeah
me say Minia, obra kwantu ya wo. Semina na ma yan ka twene ni ahwedan yo. Na bisu ya pani asoma me. Semina me pada ka. E wo Kumase akamara. Na me so ya chini. Ye nya da ka yi.
Ya na nsani o. Na nsemu wana mo da so a. Wo hia me dia, we ni problem kra. Wo beje di se me free Dubai, bedru Ghana. Ana me na na kwabedantwi. Wo to na nanu ansia do. Ni eje yi ni bo me so. E wa bre na me ni kapre. Odu obi na kire me Gospel casket shop. Ah, e wo Kumase labor haya. Me ko ho no ma. Anu mo sa ni me yes kan hye yo.
Wo de bi ntwa no. Misika ya di ma me se me papa no. Isa, afesu ya se me ambulance. Na me sam pe de be da no enka.
Ambulance. Any de be down. Omo ya ambulance service. Into any problem kra. Any na. Ye here ni se wo benya sika kakra bi di ato ase. You know se Kumase stay by plan o. Ye kwena mo kwachira o. Some Gospel casket shop here. Ye wona ka mebere. Te se de mo hu ni na. Gospel casket shop. Ye wo Kumase Infantry New Town. Ye di labor office na ben. Gospel casket shop ana. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Yasai ababio. Say dear. Yase. Ye ma ye tiefo. Ene ya hwefo nyina. Esua ensano dwuma. Wei eye ensano dwuma. Ene ti se woni ensano dwuma. Bamodian se obenya ensano dwuma. Entra Ghana ha se obaye dwuma ba kope na wodi ayeye. Dabi esese wonya dwuma bebre. Eka dwuma wo ye ho. Sana ye tu kwakwa abrochi a ye no. Eno nti bra. Ne besua adwuma ni bi. Eka odwuma bi a wo ye eho. Eno nti se de ye de adwuma foforo ene de aba. Ye be kirekire bees making. Eye senia ye sidi ahwene eye chain, eye bags, eye mpaboa, eye niema bebre. Branie nchiro senia si eye no. Mushroom farming. Eno ye senia si edua emre. Unim se ubetimi de na hotwe mienu pe adua emre ama na fifi abokama ama watimi atu adi ana watimi atu akoton brane enkyerɛ sɛ na si ɛyɛ no yenuanom akuafo e yeguso afrem sɛ momra na mombesua sɛ na si we decide adura yedigu haban so ama me hye ɛhye ase kora babra entimi enka aduane na ɛwɔ mu no brane enkyerɛ sɛ na si yɛ no snail farming bra sɛ na si ɛyɛ enwa wobetima yɛ enwa ama na nyini kama ama wo so wakoton ɛde anya wo sika watimi de ayɛ wo nkwan papa bi brane enkyerɛ sɛ na si yɛ no yɛbɛsan so akyerɛ 3D epoxy and a 5D epoxy say dear someone wonim say 3D and 5D epoxy we ye wo dem a etishren afei so yebesan so akyerɛw liquid soap sa liquid soap yi wobetimi aton yebekyerɛw shower gel eye sinesi ye shower gel ama edi dware ama ye honam eye trom bra na ye kyerɛw sinesi eye brown sugar a wode be ye oniema bebre aton asanya sika yebesan so akyerɛw mo sinesi ye powerzone afei so yebekyerɛw sinesi eye tomato paste no eno ane ye frɛ no tea tomatoes bra na ye kyerɛw kama na fa ye waduane obetimi so aye akoton ama wonya sika bebre yebesan so akyerɛw ice cream wo ye de show fridge ma de sane ma we nyina ye kyerɛw na ye gyew 300 Ghana cedis pe obedi kan asende 50 Ghana cedis na afei ye de register e de amount ye register wa so ofra chiri na wo ba na ye buku ba bi obeda eno achi no ye de bi ebe handout e de amount ye besan so aye pen drive video anase ye be kyerɛ ne nyina so ye de be gu so na e de amount in case say owura fi bibia na wa fa na wa play na wa hwɛ na wa kaka ne nyina afei so ye be ma wo aduane adi wo lunch a obedi na wia ne de ye de be ma wo ne nyina ka 300 Ghana cedis a obetua ne ho na ya san kyerɛ ene ma wo be nyina we de eye fofofo sɛ wo pɛ sɛ obesua sansa no nyuma we nyina ene bomodi asɛ ebi we de obeba esan sɛ wie sa ne ma ya bobɔ so nyina ya de foforo ene beba eye dakopɛ ene de e kyerɛw eye Saturday 17th July mu ni da etoso edunson ene ye no eda ba akopɛ ye de be kyerɛw ne ma we nyina kama pa eno ti no fa number na eda screen so no na send your mobile money ede ma yesesi a wo send 50 Ghana cedis na wo ba wo de 250 Ghana cedis no ede aba send ko 0244 294066 0244294066 afei so obetimi afrɛ saa number ya egu screen so nyina na afei ya register ɛyɛ 0244294066 hyɛno nso sɛ ɛyɛ number baako pɛ ɛna da screen so frɛ yɛn sɛsi a na yɛn register ma ɛyɛ 0244294066 frɛ yɛn sɛsi na yɛn register ma sɛ yɛka sɛ Kumawood Training Institute a na ɔgye so sɛ ɛnsano dwuma ahemfie bɛyɛ butu
right ebusia yensan ema majo na ema makwaba aha eye Kumawood television dwumadie no eye Sinopi. We also live on Facebook Kumawood TV. Your views, your thoughts, your comments, drop them na inyamre enkenkan information screen see how we say numbers no eguso wodi ane fafa so bra na inyamre enkenkan intimi emfa my voice note no so manam rantem na intimi enkenkan na yembo intimi emfa ema osagefo Sabin Cosmos NDC regional communication team member osagefo atenase esanso ena Inusa Sedu NPP Ashanti regional communication team member of course national communication team member and then Okon of East regional Obase Mununkum se nyame adom na NPP time no so na mo akọ regional executive said dem ye no last 3 years ma eka akra bi na nko wi ni no mo say this time dey do so a madam no mfama no na omedi NPP anim ewo North East region na afi enema intimi nkoso emfama party no ewo North East region breaking the 8 no so no bitmi aboa ma breaking 8 no ewo ho oba Ashanti regional or regional director Edema Hefra. They are in charge of regulating all health facilities across the country. He's a regional boss and also an NPP member. Or a Zongo boy, Zongo Fono, one of the people I'm with me look up to Inusa Sedu, Chama Inusa, and so Atenase. Zongo boy, Akaba.
Yeah,
Zongo
Nyakuponado.
Zongo to saying
Boko zongo boko if you say ejinya komponde nti bibia edaho kama adiba kwa nka uma me akunya na nka mesere ni se me article bi ama TV3 play article na me say on Friday na it's about nkofona omu yakuma mu wo ejura. That was the near Emma Mitrosa article no. Nemu article na Mitro ya no na efazungu for.
Okay.
If you say when you look at November, ebesin ene November 2020 ebesin ne.
Okay.
Nkofo a omu ya in whatever kind of demonstration, election, whatever no. Omu na mo listen no ni nyina ya Muslims.
Oh, okay.
Now,
election-related violence, no?
13 of them.
ABC DC what last week.
I
was I didn't hear.
That is the mindset. And I say a bimu antiasia.
Muntians and Martiana.
The point in say, me my example be say already know. There's an inherent hate for nkofo mu free zongo kono.
Okay.
Nti BBC sana na sawu ye zongo ni na sawu kauna. They always feel say you will be the cost.
Okay.
Nipa ni nyang koduru hokrampo. Ni udini keke.
Ni ajeji.
Na ya jeji.
So do you think say samu?
Esa.
And I say just a perception.
Esa. Nti I have to write a lot to inform your colleagues any any mamuno mo zongo no for say look already know with the you are less by something so nti nani kan e was say one ubo hu ban
okay
senebeya actions of this nature no unkoka hu ama
another twist of what happened at Ejura ISN Yakwa residents are no money a brand in the TV. Where the money buy, the more can.
Yes.
So if it's nothing to go by, now oh say a teacher boy in a dear tree, na kukumu bia. Now to say, yeah.
Yes.
Said that the Mabu cry general. Say Biana Sana Nanka a tear.
That's the point.
Well, you come there and discuss much about that way. But my mom Osaji Fakwaba, the first time you appear on my show, Osaji Fakwaba.
Jamina.
We have a call there.
Yanko Pona don't boko.
The radiasi. Once were fair.
Mine na.
Memma more, but you said I'm home.
Yes, sure. O mine na in some SC or my name, she say, as some green or my name.
O my Ghana,
or my Ghana, some green.
Emunyo.
Yeah.
I don't know.
In Nipa, ye de. In Nipa, you do mention in some. Another Danko Kufado, one Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia, and some of my country during 2016 election campaign time. And yes, I knew Ghana has it. Because if free 2017, Eba, a can kind of pie your bobo, Mukio, Kum, woman, and the Aminia, Areho. So, Areho, and I know I share police in India. Or no, or my friend say, young guy, I think free police, Aba. Na or D. Car a DCK Quechi. I could bone to Kuno. Kin Senka Honanka ye wide atoy. I get not a grandson sense in me. So I make sure. The grandson say no, according to the information you gather or grounds, no, and he say MC, no, the body guys, sort ya say. And
only one aspect of it.
And a bow
and so what a man also move you on a dear.
A man also dear no, a man who dear no dear, more dear no dear maintain dear, not me tear ya real, who wants to know Musu, say a big Kumu or advocate for.
Okay.
On mine,
Mamma, a man on word Girano, a man on Kaka, late Kaka, etifi. Now, almost say, as I see, money who be as to TB. Who their cost but not because of fear. Some to be fear to Muntimin Kano, Muntimin now feed your husbands, I encourage you on my can. Truly what they saw. Give us the eyewitness account of that. Now for your bar. Aside for in your understanding clear. na yɛnhwɛ where the discussion will go agyenkyerɛ nso fabra na yɛnya mmerɛ nkenkan voice note nso egu so a yɛgye moma yɛnkɔ adwira na yɛnkotie residents a na ɔmo de late kaka atifi baako do mu hu yɛ ɛne de ɔmo de to opposition so anim
me pa chao aha yeti aha di say
Mustafia masalachi no
asema me be bisa we ye kramoni wonim Quran de wom sa wo twantora sunsan so abenya ma masalachi ne yeti na wo be ka asemu nanu asemu esi adwira ama abranti aye frɛ no kaka awa frimi eti woni hu de ekoso nyina wo fie ho bi ye pese wo chirim sei na wo si hu ye
ba cho sata na mi wadan ibe ye sala na mi ti no moto na nka oba na mi ti pan apremenu na ade no boy minim say abuchire no opam echire na mi hu say ohum no humunu na mi hu na minim say nya abuchire na opam no hu no ohum say how ana mi si da bi nya abuchire na bra wo pam ma mi pie kohwe ade eyen me pie fi abonti mi hu say ni bra adu ni ne jari ho light no chini
why bra
kaka no bra
ne bra ne friend say
baba yidi me hu say o twinu akosum no ana mi ko bo ne gre fun say o mpie ba hu ade o mpie ho ba hu ade tam ne yiri pie na me sa dan ne chi ne yiri nyam pie na ma sa dan ne chi dan ne chi hu say o jaro no o pie kwa abontin
ye ho ne pie kwa abontin
baba yidi
okay
ana o kwa abontin na mi sister we onu so feel onu so o ti abontin honu no den wa abontin o timi kasa no no mi so ne dem ne bai o pie kwa abontin na o ne mi sister we ahia mi sister we ahia no abontin honu no pie o ja ka kan to no pie
asema woken empanifo pa ni de akire o mati committee so mu hwem se kaka no hwan ene ku no awu na odu ne sata wo na abosen
ba sata me de mi dami ni watch
na ne eya wia anajo pa
anajo sata me de ma cheta
intasema wo ne yeken what is system ya ko to police for anim wa twere wonu a che police station adira
ma twere me no for police station but sata na mi kunu ni krum ha mi kunu atukwan na sa sam sinu but me pese me ka sa sam no correct na mi kunu ba na ada na asam ama me nti sa stam o mo bisa me police ko bisa na me sinu me nim de o yes aduma no but me na me pie ahono ana me sun no ye pie ho nyina pie but me nim ade me nim ni papo o yes aduma sa tam sa na me ka
nti eyede na obefre wukunu ekra no kora ne kire no
eto sa ye me kunu me ntime se no asam nti na me fre no kunu agbo na amane me za ta na me kunu wo fre ana me fre no kunu agbo na amane se ye fie de esi ye fie no but sa asam de esi me na me di me ni ahu but me ntime ko ye busiafo me ntime ka se atam me fie ye ekunu ba ne ye no ye bo mu ye busia nti na me kunu fre no bai oba no ka se sa asam ne de ntime fancy this is asam ne pie
okay into wonu kunu ina na ko police station
na sa no anajon adano o ka baby no sa no me no kunu ni na ko police station akọ report ye
ansa na police for be che eye baba yidi no
akọ report ama police
na baba yidi no na adwunu mu akana na adwunu ye fine
baba ni anakura na adwunu de ye fine edu da bi obetima akasa sa obetima adina kwani na okasa sa ma ade echi
right enti we last week sama esi wadwira ema police for na soja for kotutuo fami no efa mu hwe mo nkwa eka kaka macho Ibrahim Muhammad ehono enipa one Ibrahim Muhammad late kaka etifie account odi aba no say sie no na nani hunu ye ba before beginning na osuro pese ni kunu atukwan ni kunu ni ho oka ebia na efieru ano ana se efie otime kaka mu fie no na ebi obi ayi ni bibi ana ne bra na kwa na hu so na ekum kaka no ebi ana ne bra na ayi bibi enti na wanka ba ne kunu ba ye no bo ne kwa ma ne fe ne fon so kwa ma ne kunu eya we no ba ma ne ba ye no e no no atu anamon ekọ police for ko ka che sei e na asi enti we odi nkomo we kan kasi yekolika o Kesben FM no na oka e de akere se in fact owo mosque e na odi nkomo yi na nkramofo dem de wondimi ntan won twanto da koran kuta no wodo asoe de ne hu ye ene de na so tue mu no eno na woka etumi e de akere another related story enso eye de asi enra anajo ana no pay ene enya information on ewo ekura efen Feyase here atonsu Feyase in Ashanti region of Ghana say Uber driver or say a private school head teacher na akon the girlfriend ho ne fiancé ho na aranzo amanfo abukume for Uber onfa videos no enam so ma madaroma na o ches amanfo abukume say Uber no mema mefa wo monti me akofo maba na nkrofo no kofa abrante ne etire ene yatwa be ma kama yesi ne die no ye Israel J Menu or Kumasi Atunsu or headmaster or one of the private schools ne yatwa ne ti no atumi ede free so etwa ne ti ne so no enye ne ti ne nko a na etwa ye ne ti ne dafa na ne controls no so edafa. I believe if you have the other videos mama videos na kasa enso emfa ema ahefo na omo hu the way yes, so that is the body omo de ne kono so no eni enti mo sa body ne mra bio na ye nhwe the body no ne body na nkasa said na esida ka we na brantie ne eyusu omo efa no nti omo anye ka na mfi ne nsam iti no eda ha na afi so no ene other body no so eda ba bia posifo akofa body no eda konti brantie ne body no na eda ho no we esi ewo Kumasi bio in Ashanti region just in a week said the death toll no another crime rate no ekosro ewo Asante mantem no enya agro ni nyina no na ye di ho komo na ebusa say how safe are you Cosmos
minua atodi no say Mike e da say we say ye call adwura ekofa interview bi e ba adwura yi twese ye de to because ya take committee omo ye de omo ye investigation the who yan say keke kan ho sem bia bi because me say investigation na bi na omo ye de in me say eduru emere no so a ebi hu ba bi e suicide boy de ho ba de e be kwa kogu na ye hwe Feyase di twaire hosem abranti a o ye adwuma wanka bi anhyemu ye kunu enti na me mitu e me say u pia abontra so be wa kodu fi so nkodu fi kura wunim ye kokase insecurity o mani mu a MP before say o man no bibi boni bi say anim what you say MP before say bibi boni bi say anim cause na no meti abronye nka untumi TV say Ghana high insecurity bi anyha obi ahoto no obi ahisi
omo say omo compare comparative analysis no mo ye
what kind of comparison are you people compare
omo compare Ghana and other sub-Saharan Africa there ye no yasumdue no ye ha asumdue wa ha esen baby and then IGP so actually say it is only in heaven and now come to say it be a crime so it tells you say they feel say
a frustration
okay
yeah IGP talk na frustration talk because media channel go heaven na won sam no ni heaven ho na Nyankopon bo no be ba sa so onye crime no committee enti na better o say crime bi ni a heaven ho asemasia ese wunyanto boase anye gidigidi nyanto boase na pe asem no poma sibira na be ka kire Ghana fo na Ghana fo enya ahotoso why because Ghana fo na ato aba na ye dia ma na ado danko akufaro no appoint was IGP who IGP kwa wota amaso esenka ukofie 60 years wo bro senka ukofie ni ama contract enti so hwe na sa adwuma no untumi nya masa na wo de ato worum ni empe wo mo betumi ememe ye adwuma no because ye di security na da asha wonsa bibia nya de be enkoso bibi boni bi eni ma basa na ede ekoso memu a hwa branch yekuno enemu se ya so obi wura ne shop ye di tuesi ne so agene isika ne ho ne menyina ede ko oman be ne yetimu no enti se ne yeto abama na nado dan kwakufu are se ye o ti abontena no mu ye dede tiamu ye dede saa no ya Ghana force da bi motu de ma wo no eno eni eno aduane ntimi nto ya ho bambo kakra mo bon so eno so aye bo ache bidin eno obi pie kwa ade beche yesi abontuo ade eche yesi abontuo asoja fo kra na service bi domestic demonstration bi kra ekoso kra na eno so aya kwa shoot and kill kunkum nipa. What is going on in this country? A dear Ben na Ghana for ye dear na nado dan kwakufu ado every year bia ye besimu bia asempo fresi anya car accident nipa huwa na ye tututuo.
Why do you blame the president on this?
Me blame you say and the issue you cry is see Shemakola issue na buy no. She that time fire service for bedru honom. It done she more than 2 hours. Say omo tender no mo de buy no cry issue cry nya de bay. Enim. Even omuntimi ni mechanism bi a sabro say issue to a obetimi a arrange ayi bi e de akoso akodum ja no. E jana manfo ne manyina de ahye. Young guy bi no mo interview no. Also mu bedru hono mo da no mu si eja issue kro bi nya de bay. Eni ho. One yes or resource fire service. When yes or resource fire service. Fire service omunya under interior.
Okay.
Omunya under IGP. Eti papa na dwuma no ntimi nye. Se na na do di ni si nchen. Na o pe obi obetima ya de. A police one bebrebe wo ho. Die benko na adwuma wo ya wo ntimi nya chenchena wo no ana na do so pe no. Edu ba bia me dadwen hwa menti ase. Eti minua, say Mike, the year can say face the country, face the country, face the country. Mrantie ne mamba wo bi story o mo kan. E bia ni o. Hwe security. It's a stake. And now point ya we be coffee unim so ba godo na unim. Ehu ko mo feature ya beji obi niema.
Okay.
Yeah, titi nyina.
Obi ade ehu. We Makola story no.
Yes.
And ya Makola.
Then me monitor.
Asipa Makola.
Then see abrantie bi omu interview o ti di sika a odi adwuma be 70,000. Emu de manyina ahye.
Drink.
What you say? Now fire service for to go jina on more than 2 hours. Month me anu jana. Am a jana escalate to this level. This is one in February command. Yen February command John Dramani Mahama and answer wine and answer to me before the February command. Who is in charge of fire service? A day here a that institution only in charge say Ombachene Janade Akofo. Nana
almost need fire tenders and now.
I don't know see.
And why do you blame the president when this happened?
What's it?
So if what you are saying is anything to go
back, more resources are buying resource woman and come by alert because fire service woman trauma be man son my baby. Fire for one trauma be happen. Sabana resource woman omuya well equipped say omuya alert say if anything happen they will move. And can be sent to me any day. It's according to sources cry. Baby marketing one. Any fire service office cry among wasa. What happened? Oh, me jina honoma me 2 hours. Say ye nyina wo so hwe video ni bi. Ah mo je mo hu ko me fa so mere. O medum ya. Enti ya resource wo mu ama wo needed equipment, needed resources. Ah mo de be ye adwuma no mo je dum ja.
Enti mo say ye nyina say personnel say omo egusu a omo na omo dum ja yi. And it wasn't enough. This was when you think say
a delay.
Ijano ashedu.
I escalate area. Ashini emewie a delay because one team e no me 2 hours man san e jaka se kra e 5 minutes amasa unu ba bi e be kwa kodru se just say she just 5 minutes no be gina ho no mo sa interview upon interview na mpanimfo oba na bi ko even e ma akra no yokra de e ba ho no still na jani ntimi no me enti we wan na me nkonko bremu no when you dey taxpayers amount that's for resource all the institutions. When you get taxpayers' money, amana, as a resource all the institutions. Now, mutimi ye juma no mo de boa ma omano ye mpuntu de ekoso. Look at the number of people mo lose musical that a shop. The shops were ebeche, shaman for siki gu hono. Ababa be obi wa bank na akwaji busion. E basa bank ne be call liquidation. Because say sika de so mo trade every month bi anka kra. Be 4-5 months can any day. Enti because e ho na de ase.
Where you stay, crime rate is
Oh, hono. Film from baby na nneema bi etete sabe for now no de nneema wo form kakra.
Let's say ya ni sir.
Me ntime fan 100% because minim de akubesi na na so wetna. Torture ase.
Well, Uguso Sinope live on Kumawood Television or Sajifo NDC Regional Communication Team member and Otin and Kafaji Channel Bra na Inyamre and King Kamfuma Seda and Kuma Gosway Casket Shop Mala Mohammed Spiritual and Herbal Center Kumawood TV Kumawood Training Institute Kumawood Training Institute na via debut Enko Mfama Tawhid Autopathic Clinic and I feel so I said that PSA Enko Mfama Awa Travel and Logistics. Our travel and logistics. Almost you know what's it. Chairman, crime rates. What tear drop? My mom, what has happened at Fayase? Worship video and a pictures. No, we said now you couldn't watch it twice because of how I nipped me actually near. I tried to tear free, so I'm fine when Japadibia. And there, I don't pay year here. Will be in the shop, edit twice in the so. What the Baba asked me to do? No, so Jemo Mano, no deco. I said the rate at which I crime because no. I said the Omwa Munia dream panel or Boniwu Tribunal young said nothing is working. So let's use the opportunity to do whatever we can do. Are you happy as a government in power? The course with the moon here.
So I me that say. Ma mifa akunya we so na minchia ye TF4.
A TF4 na for you.
If you say Kumawood TF4 dear, omo very loyal to the station. Nti ya da obi bia a onye bre e hwe Kumawood ase. Okay. Na ansamba kwa me pese meka and say ke sa Ghana for ebe makwan na Ghana ebe ye juma pa de ene I advocate say nka they should rearrest NDC national chairman Utiem they should rearrest him
Ozambo
mami fire no twin but I will explain it to me can what rasa I will explain it Number 2 minua okasai o mami hu dwere mi ebia nansaya na odwane politics na anase oye mischief onim but o kataso o ye mischief se be fane se Ghana nipa ye kumu mu Ghana na president na kumu mu nko ade anase ejesihia a ewo Ghana se president na shi nko ade na tiemie se sa na ati nko ade look at my premise se sa na ati nko ade ne November 3rd 2014 John Dramani Mahama onu na kun Peter Kojo Achenso Nkwanta South DC I'm basing on his premises sa na etidie sa obi wu o manmu no ha na se president anasa ne odi manmu nim no na okum no a do you understand minka
I think they know what they say.
Wait a minute, me make a statement.
They know what they say. O man penny no na say this war born officer. One na your man penny.
Thank you.
Indi no say on is try here ka Ghana for boy ho ban.
Yeah, twensa say na na okum obi wa Mr. Menkan.
Oboy ho ban na say ban e ho ban bo no. Enti susu dia. O say this born say on na aye hwan.
Thank you.
Ama your experience what you experience.
Thank you. I'm revising my statement.
Okay, thank you.
Me say on the 3rd of November 2014, John Dramani Mahama slept on the job. Oye hwan.
Okay.
Ema yakum DC in contest of DC.
Okay.
Yan fa no ntunchen. John Dramani Mahama tena akonwa no so edaye. Ema yakum JB dankwa. Na oda. Yan fa no ntunchen. Staff officer Owusu was murdered on the 6th of February 2016. John Dramani Mahama died. Yan kose Emmanuel Fenek, Ukai Fenek. Ewa who said Ghana yetimi tenasi ajaja nkofu bi ama emu etimi kotina radio station when somebody died and fingers are pointed to you and then when you akunya kotina radio station you be play me the president the sitting president and I said the ruling government say obiawu meanwhile When somebody died, fingers were pointed at you. And you know me say, in Ghana, I was say you fix your attitude. We have to fix our attitude. So, you cannot be pointed finger at when somebody died. Then you turn around to come and sit at a radio station and complain that somebody killed somebody. When you kill the person allegedly. Nti sa NDC follow by a din omunye din na nyoma no a egu honum ema omunu edo so be why should they keep quiet miba ni koku bibini the second chief of Oblogo Nyaweja 21st April 2012 under John Dramani Mahama yakumunu ya did John Dramani Mahama slept on the job? I have over 1,000 nipa yakumomu under John Dramani Mahama and Atamius. 1,000. I'll send it to you.
Is it not?
But let's say nothing. That's why I don't want us to wait. Say, you share the current situation. Fire team mom.
Okay.
How can we get out of it?
Okay.
It's better say, you better nasi. And you what I call laissez-faire attitude of blaming. Convenience of blaming. O kasano no o see fire tenders no be dru hon krampone esi oni ho if you say president na resource omo misre moka misre that was below the belt and now say it has reduced his respect. If you say the president doesn't pump water onto the fire tenders to fight fire, John Dramani Mahama yetina krom Mahama yeshi medical stores jurbi Central Medical Stores, Jirbi. Was it John Dramani Mahama who didn't drive to the place to quench the fire? Eya mayan kan samsa. How many Central Stores in a year under John Dramani Mahama? Central Medical Stores, security system for this nation. It concerns our health. It concerns our existence. Do you know the number of drugs that went through the fire? Essential drugs. Anka, Ghana, yes, talking to herself. For in 3 months, even if there is a problem in the world and we cannot import anything, you better must survive on the Central Medical Stores to keep Ghana going.
Okay.
John Dramani Mahama Kodaya.
Okay, so on December 7th,
so you shouldn't be talking like that.
I'm coming on December 7th, 2020. John Dramani Mahama now was seeking for another re-election. Say Ghana for Ntomano. Ghana for said Debbie, as we voted against you in 2016 December 7th. Say Omomodino. Still, we see you so Omomodi. Ghanaians voted for Kufuado. Now we are feeling insecure.
Thank you. Let me.
And you still take
us
back to the person Ghanaians rejected. Say at that time we see say we are not competent enough to keep us going.
And Ghanaians still maintains he's not competent enough. That's the truth.
And Ghanaians have given him the nod. Instead of you to fix the problem, you are trying to apportion blame to somebody that relegated him.
Dabi. Me na me pamatade no. Who you are trade na? Who na me di pamatade no? Who you are trade na? You are saying no. Tade no enko. And I say any ofe. What I'm saying is
with this analysis there, then we made a mistake.
So let me explain to you. Now I was tackling and sama or kanu say president. And you know me say on correct say ye tie for our mutie no. They are discerning. They are wise.
Okay, so who should face this problem?
Now let me tell you why.
No, who should make sure
you must know where the problem is coming from.
Who must know?
Okay. When John Dramani Mahama was rejected miserably in 2016, going close to 2020 election, and then allegedly chairman of NDC, a can't find the tape no. Young Kunkun Krofu, na share the ruling government. Young Prepren Krofu, na share the ruling government. Young Kidnapping Krofu, na share the ruling government. Midwana, what do you see? Even when somebody is riding bicycle and get accident, Yeah, the share MPP. And this for the share MPP. See, look at Ejura issue. The first issue concerning Kakano. No, it was not political.
Okay.
No, it was not about security as well. It was about Ono Obin term. But what are they saying? They say, because the gentleman was an advocate for fix the country. Who stopped you from fixing the country? Who say we fix the country demonstrators? Who stop you? You see, when they come out, we are going to join them and help them. Because Ghana is a year, until they should come, let's go and demonstrate. You see, if by demonstration on the street, country will be fixed. Without fixing your attitude now. Let me say, you fix your attitude. Now, fixing your attitude now. I am telling you, Ghana will be a very good place to be.
When did you see
that? Somebody is working at fire service. I'm setting an example using him. Somebody is working at fire service. He's been there in the last 20 years. And then fire hydrant has no water. Is it the fault of the person who employed him 20 years ago and on attitude? Is it his attitude? And I said,
and our attitude has been the same ever since.
So we have to fix it.
When did we all see, say, I dare not put on a buy no, nay, na human penny no, until fix it. Okay,
but so there was no social media to escalate it.
Okay,
that is why I say,
so now, how do I fix my attitude? What's my point? You may drive a coffee.
Thank you.
Then
fixing the attitude. Of fixing the attitude now, you are safe.
Okay, so if that person fails to do that, who is to protect?
Why should the person fail? Because we are fixing.
There is crime everywhere, as the IGP said.
When you say there is crime everywhere, Niami can say, when you was safe until Nipa Subai SSI. The first two people to begin what we call killing. What happened?
Okay.
It was attitude.
What is your government doing? Since the man for Felice, we are not secured.
Thank you.
Crime rate was slow.
Thank
you.
What the government is doing, they say, we should allow the security systems to work. When you are going out to demonstrate, and the police, say, it's not safe at this time to go and demonstrate. I was saying, okay. It is a COVID wa abontini say don't go out now. I was so tie na what nas.
Okay. Rampant
I am not saying sir and saying that COVID intina yes stop. Okay. I'm just saying it to say sir security systems no and who say abontini to don't go out. I was so tie. You see who tie na so we asumrache na wa ko hono na bibisia. Then you turn around to come and blame the government. Okay. Fix your attitude.
So rampant killings, the SU of Yase. Most of my videos, no pictures, no ebu. And your first time last week, Tafu, this year, this year in Kumasi, young county, a crano, murder cases are here, count to a young who this abonino. It's more than 15. Abano then because on my they are sharp buying and sir. Another hope for name people are buying. And I say, sir.
I say, na kasa. I say. Now, what the president and I said the government of the MPP is doing in terms of our security is that we are resourcing the police service, which is the internal security apparatus. Now, what we say, CTC cameras are all over. You're installing EBA.
Okay.
What we are now doing?
Me who be there last 2 years, but me say Juma there.
Can you Juma now? Bullion van. Where did they get the videos? Near Seawall. What do you call it? Christ the King. Videos in the they are from those ones. So until such a time, you be installing winning in our year, we will have to be safe by our own doing.
Okay.
What am I saying?
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, my Cosmos. Cosmos. Let's look at this picture, sir. You're here in the screen, so no. What do you think, sir? About cause for this? Say Nipano, Yakuno, Yafano whom be a this one, do we blame the government? at times yen fa yadwen so ko be ka kra say yen so individuals
ma ebia won say it is about insecurity. You can't insecurity as a general.
Yeah.
And I share any pa ye kunkumu, a man for fakwamon kunkumu, because nipakum it is not part of our culture.
Yeah.
So what you say? In TCC, I may know what you was here, and a brandy, you can it you.
Yeah.
Say ordinary so or two who pass me, so to who be, yenim,
I'm quite a moon, you know,
say Abia, one in the pacron issue be yenim, say we'll be now born a pa, yenim. So what you say? And to say any people which is here the wine and you say or call first. And ask you when your police station number.
Yeah.
Who is in charge of police?
The IGP.
So what you say? And to say about IGP say Abia and Juma and Swenia. A cocoa copy baby a copy.
Yeah.
What you say? And it's true. Say any people can rate say a cost of one major factor encouraging unemployment.
Okay. So I'm going to man no come.
Mo man wa. Enkofo nya adwuma nye. Na say e bia o hwe kwan money say no be fa so a. Ohun no sika no kro fa be bo tuaji sika na ko. Movies a ye hwe eno ne ade ye nyema bi ye sisie. Amanfo e de ye ho.
O filisa wo nya bi di. Ono so nya bi ni komode no.
So tia se. Enti ye nyema bebrebe unemployment etimi di sa nyema we ba. Ye hwe di pekunkum ye kofi. Sa omo tutu small scale miners ya ye koko ye kwahye omo excavators no ye musa se tuo no bom ho ba wuro ho de je ana aya sembusa ye gigi tuo ni from ho but we were able to bend excavators illegally o mine no mra nye de be e ma kwan sa ye chichi no but ye hu so omo ti wuro ho no omo de akodie bi ni weapons bi na ere e bom ho ban we say because ankofo ya na asa chesi kurumu ya omo ye debe omo edi tuo sisi amanfo so a omo jeje amanfo sike what you say enti sa insecurity na e koso no de because e ye only government e na betimi aboa ma ya ho bambo ayede akoso ye police ye soldiers ye fire service so what you say okoye borders ya migration for e debe e wo ho. Na me do kasi yam fix your attitude be na yam fix it be ma ye ti o hwan ntu tax wa taxes no ye tuatua ma aban no e say aban no di je oman ni munwuma no na oman ni nwuma na se le enkoso hwan na de be hwan ye mfa ntansa no kobo no enti sa judgment debt 170 million ya yakotua na nanu ye e civilian na ma e boss aka na enye attorney general na anya adwuma yi so whom should we blame?
But don't we have any way we have to fix as a country, as individuals? No.
Master, you told CCA. About we also change syllabus for them almost 3 years. And Korean tells you see the individual. I said yes, Omuni books na. And now ban also fix it. Abani buy was so very free SHS, very fantastic move. So what I say. But to buy infrastructure say we expansion to accommodating kurano when you individual na some go to school dan no ya ban na so fix it because you take tax in the go so e dey ye tua and want to credit na yentil me to credit yentil me senior ma want to credit yentil no enti dey be attitude be no be say yenye yi adwuma ma na men koso your wrong poor supervision on the part of government so public sector baby public sector baby o no wo hu se adwuma bibi e koso bia no e right wo adwuma ho adwuma na e koso yanko ya district assemblies adwuma na e koso ho obitimi kasa ma adwuma na be adwuma yi go to public sector supervision will work over there
attitude
so what you say one work one is so supervise adwuma no
okay
why they say o supervise adwuma no uko education sector your second supervisor horma and so no hwe say a teacher for you use the right books
you no nya ban no the end me for so bonko ban no right
me say your poor supervision
aban no and then hwe supervision nko so
yes because it was a governance no
person me
there were governance no me the man who say governance no started from yanka say you down here
okay
unit committee assembly members then you go to district assembly honum na you want MC and I said DC so what you say omo hwe bibia e koso ho no nyina
okay
so what I say DC you know in charge of district no enye aban na appoint no
yeah
Inti se onye na dwuma ya me fantansa no kobon.
Okay. Jaman, obisi me musa this we say Ufusan Popo. Why do you blame Ufusan Popo?
Thank you.
On the happiness. Why?
Thank you. Niente na me blame no say. Ye wo man mu ha. And a video audio bi baye. Audio no allegedly na see on the video. And subsequently it was proven in court. So now the point is say
in court it was not proven say or no. The case is still in court.
Me say
yes.
The authenticity of the video audio no. Now it was done in court.
But it was so court.
But and some that's all court. Nemu listen to what was on the audio. Make Ghana ungovernable. How do we make Ghana ungovernable? Onua explains how we can make Ghana ungovernable. Okay. Attack the EC chair, insult her.
Okay. Now elections are over. So the insult of those things are no
I'm
more.
just saying what was on the video.
Okay.
Kill people and deposit the bodies and blame it on the president.
Okay.
Hyping the insecurity system in the country. Audio no more.
So you think that is what is happening now?
Thank you.
Then how super incompetent will be this government? Say, we name the ogu or man anymore here, the umpa or man ye. Na still our channel. Man ye the oil and what one of the say more sububia, Monfa more NDC charges on the kind or bread 2 minutes someone sir.
Me and I may say, sir, ni tape audio no, alleged audio no. Wow. If anything to go by now, it is just a script to near airport na. Ni otro ya ni pepepe ni eno an ekoso.
Ghana from fa kunyan mo na say the be ya enwu bi wa na because the criminals are still criminals.
You see the point is that Ghana for who said they were incompetent in ruling. Ena omu yi omu esi nchen. Ena omu di MPP e ba ye. Okay. Ena omu mo say sa the thing kwa de in your best is set and roll a good park. And that is exactly what they are doing.
Why? So you have a national security minister, interior minister, right?
Yes.
You have the defense minister.
Yes.
You have the IGP here.
Yes.
In this Amoka say one single person. Eka say omo man ungovernable. Not indeed a man ungovernable there. Then you are not in control.
Sir Mike,
you have failed us.
Sir Mike, thank you for giving me the opportunity to even explain. Ebia obisu te bebia ultima set sesa na otie matie. Yes na me pachre. Me say no audio no alleged audio no nia oka wo sunu nyina eno na ekosi. Okay. But oka wo audio no na onka ansi se onu na obeye. Na or encourage Encrofo say omunye.
So you must be on alert.
Thank you.
And are you on alert?
Yes. Ohona me ba no. Can I move on and ask a question na Thank you. Now adibako minti ase ne say minion no or bisa say attitude ban na yem fix it. Yeah. Em say onim nti it's a genuine question of beside. Me chire mo chire no. Say the attitude ono aka say Ghana for ye hu say adwuma we aban adwuma. Nti obi tumi anyane on kwa adwuma. Ebebo 10 asa wako. Okonsusu a o work loto. Ewiase no 3 o'clock na watam the bag say o coffee. Should the president be telling you to sit and work for your own nation and not say I was so wow fix your attitude now what me say
Chama intine yemra no uja ni padia even when you go to US.
Thank you.
Sembra nya adwuma they will behave the way we are behaving here.
Thank you. Che unim Dubai yen tun te feel by heart.
Yeah.
You can't do it. Aha.
Man na shemra no.
Me say aha. Aha no mo. Obe hu say NDC ni executive. Obakwa ko pakika na wagina kwan mu na wayi ni bema sabi
NDC ni
na ohwie so egu kono.
That's NDC ni. Okay.
So at the attitude
well Mesa. Okay, Mesa.
I just answered the question. Who said second chance?
Yes, I've given you second chance, Chairman. No, we say, Sir Mike, please allow me to read my messages. Sir Mike, I blame all these happenings on Elder Chairman of Ozuan Pofo. I think what he said some days ago is now happening. NDC executives are the cause of all these bad happenings. From Ishak Kumawood Bodmasi and Ishak Ediefria de Abba. Good evening, Sir Mike. Tell the NPP man to speak to the issue. If we should fix our attitude and country, then they should do it first. Okay, Wate Uguso 8. Good evening, sir. Ghana need peace to still fix the country. From Ken Techiman and a Ken Defria and also Ede Abba. We say, Sir Mike, ask the NPP man that which attitude is he talking about? This all problem is going on because of the hardship in the system. He should not just talk to defend his party. If I have sold my cocoa for 3 months that I'm not paid, what should I do as a citizen to fix my attitude on that too? Please, sir, let the NPP man answer this question for me. Okay? Enoch, Ejumako, Enoch, will be a question now. What on cocoa? Bosomi mi ensa ke tuane mai unya do bedi or so one fix what attitude be na o se fix here. Okay, please let's not address these issues politically. Well, Udiama, but I think it's a nice suggestion. Sir Mike, what the NDC guy says surprised me a lot. Nanado is not God. How can he intervene the killing of Feyase? Let's talk to issues and stop politicization. Kofi minka esreso ena kofi di free or there by high tension wa ena nwumre kofi so butu kofi ye na se wo hwe ye na nwumre. Good evening, Sir Mike. Your discussion is on point. You see, sometimes your panelists fail to answer your questions. Tell them they should relax when you ask them questions because your questions are too punch. Grace, Grace, may I say, Grace, are you sure that is what is happening? Kojo, aka K2 from Sunyane Udumase, whose responsibility is to provide Ghana Health Service to quench fire. Why responsibility no? Okay, who's supposed to fix the country? Questioner. Also, Busara no. So why in the country no? Also fix here me and I why? So Mike, is this MPP man? There are crimes all over the country, and he is there making references. During Muhammad's time, did he see military men shooting at civilians on daytime? Yes. Because of this attitude on their side has brought to us where we are now. They should keep defending. Everything has an end. Okay? Next time, try to do the needful. I want to ask the NDC man that what is spoiled in the country that need to be fixed. He is talking as if he have not been on the seat before. Nothing to tell him. If he is talking about fire and murders, all these issues has not just started this time. So the police should read people's mind before the mind happens. Just like the boy who was killed, I don't know how the president has to fix this. This is going far. This all should be used by politicians to ask for vote. There is a way out. There is no mind reader to read people's mind to stop crime. And I think that is what you think is the challenge. Okay? NPP, NDC, you are all the same. So the people are very angry, and this constitution and this under this government. And but I am a board of Munyabotre. We say, "Well, we na both we na so the man before we Nyabotre. We do tea now before Nyabotre. Let's train ye. Say the bear. Me so me kaya. Meet me a kaya ye at the ama. Or say this constitution and this is the government should change its following appointees. for us to change our attitude. Thanks. Abdul, changing the appointees, he sees it to be the best. So why are we making comparison instead of finding solutions to these bad things happening under the watch of Yetisikaso and so accommodate locomotion inside Bono, a locomotion if we are the by Bono and Ubutu Unipa. Good evening, Sir Mike. Fear has indeed gripped Ghanaians under this insensitive Nana Addo-led government. Look at the lawlessness in Ajra, Wa, and even in the Ntonso Abuaso in Ashanti region. What do you expect when people are promoted to engaging in lawlessness? Ghana is indeed sick. Usu Bempa, Deputy Secretary for NDC, Atuma Nwabieja, North Constituency. Usu, Yenasi and NDC party are responsible for these atrocities in the country. Odona killings, Nsoko chief. Okay, also the Abarano. Oh, Ghana. For you, God help you. God help Ghana. From Solomon, a Contombra, and a Solomon Ifri or the Eba. Emmanuel Boama write thesis from Kote here in Ashanti region. Good evening, Sir Mike. The main cause behind this insecurity and mayhem in this country is politically influenced, which don't allow the judiciary to run independently. And finally, unemployment is also on the rise day in and day out. Sir Mike, there is no future for the youth in this country. It is a very serious issue which needs to be addressed. What is the relevance of the free SHS without employment at the end of the education? His Excellency should fix this country. If he is sleeping too much, he must wake up. Emmanuel Boama inside Kote and a man so the free or the eba. Well, message is no ban eba, but I try one year about from Katomra. Yaba, ever to us.
Animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo o ma asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa isko ka chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya adwuma me mene da okay kwesi da edwoda ebenada okuoda yawada efie da ana menya adwuma na efie da wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda wada fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na daso ebia na ne tachere ma afi na ne tini emo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi o ho na wodi no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nso ni nyina saba bonten enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be hu say ebeye mremremre okay wo ba nyim easily piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ena sukọ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo befre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piao right
right, I was here, yes, I am a crab, Ogoso, Snoopy, live on Kumawood television. I didn't channel Fabra, na Yamre, King Kind of my voice note, no so, Fabra and Tem, and na it me abo, Eddie, my voice note, Liban Temwa, Eddie Yamre, et me so abo, Eddie amount, Manam Tem, Yamre, and my Ghost Way Casket Shop. Say a country, say, in a year, 1 year, or cow, say, Bomodi Anabana Catchy, na on no more, say, Osha Yena say. Free fiada sound system if madaka ambulance ade if we batumu be free much be kofie be free fee be kwa musie ye sanso e na flowers ade be guso video coverage a obetwa tent abebo enkonwa a obeyusu ni nyina God's Way casket shop e na ye kanfo atumi e de ama God's Way e wo Kumasi asafo liberal about e ho e na betumi akọ o ye party other engagement open sound system canopies and I feel so no chesa God's Way Sibra na untumi emwa obefre over 0243737457 0243737457 wa hawo ne amane a wokomu no ene bia ama hu ho ano nante bi ho a ebo mo pa na mu de akire kokunu mame kobono mame koyise mame mara wo ha me Sibra e bia na oda akere na ayira ena hu so eno nti ne yi eye wo sade wiase nyina no enkoye mama wudi bone a eni kwase wudie malam se adwuma e wo a wo ye adwuma papa nko ade a onyame beboa ama watumi afa so apejaw ama won so watumi akonu abrabo no mu wo ye adwuma nko ade na adwuma papa nko ade a bra enkoye kura na beboa store na wo ye even pike kwa na wo ton na woni je ho a nyame da no so aboa ama nimatumi apeja ama won so nyame atumi akoye ade ama wo obuso ne bi yare eye twere edam anase abofra no so so na se demo yare bi a ubia no malam Sibra na ontumi emwa aware no akro awo ma awo no so ban so a ene bebiri be ma no no osora no okọ udo sika hwe ba bi pa obu kwase a malam so obi je wasase wa ha ubia na ma na bia no physical and spiritual wa Sibra na ontumi emwa wade na ayera na pesa wo hwe wo hu no bia wo na wo saka wade no a malam Sibra na ontumi emwa ko watibie na malam Muhammad wo iskafo amantem ho na obi hu malam Muhammad spiritual herbal center obefre no e was 0246 647247 0246 647247 Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic ana we kan for the ama wo omo Kumasi Bode Junction Madam Catherine Fire sabe kese ba koro no oja do ne de ya num bia e koso so enum bi abonten bito na entimi emwa nsi yare bia obi ano Madam Catherine ene e kan for e de ama wa yare sabia no enya agro o konfidi egu ho a ode ye nipa de no hwemu na afi so no obo ama nupa nom ama wati ato no enya agro kra o Sibra na mo ntimi mo oni kra na afiri a oba onyame adom so obetumi aboa amone no atumi ate obe hu omo e obodi Kumasi 0278626262 0278626262 na afi omo atumi aboa yegu so edin ko madwen chane Fabra ne nyamre enkenkan efma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama former president of the republic 2020 elections lusu ye e de court e mo san lusu court ene de ode atudwa e kiremu ene say in fact ya na ene bi ha adwuma man Ghana said o man no say basa e koso ho kire koso na bibia agensemu no de ebe ho behia say NDC for ne Ghana fo nyina be kan ho abomu na ebe num so atwe ope na nyame ya aduma 2024 no ebe gi atum say ye sa TNPP for na adade a ene ahwe ya na ebe ahwe kwa be aka be wi ho awie ma 2024 no yenkoto aba no emfa mo no John Dramani Mahama because now and Akufo no ba umia de oman no enhyeda enkoye well eno so adwen kire Fabra na yenyamre nkenkan well demonstration na me be obeye and I'm giving you 2 minutes to wrap up and then you move to John Dramani Mahama.
Thank you. Ne me pesa me wrap up and say million or kasano or ka judgment debt some na obo attorney general subo.
Yeah.
You see NDC for no you can't be incompetent in government and still be incompetent in opposition. And there's something okay. Friday, when judgment debt report now about from 2000 to 2021, 1.89 billion ever report no as judgment debt. Sa judgment debt no 1.89 billion no ever report no. E emu 84.49% was caused by NDC, paid by NDC. Omu tuabi ema woyomi, etuabi ema asofoto, etuabi ema CP, etuabi ema Bezeldin, etuabi. That is what they did. To the extent say, Supreme Court judge, eka say, omu judgment debt no, eyeden, me pacho boami. Supreme Court judge no. No, see, omu judgment debt.
I only heard create, loot and share.
Thank you. Not only heard, that was what it is. Or see, mu judgment debt dear, abe. Mu bogana for chrono. You create it when it doesn't exist. And you remind, you turn back to loot it. And you go home and go and share. Inti manu fan ko judgment debt. Na meya NDC grbe awa.
Right. Mamena si mesa ba ho. We say please Mike, allow the MPP man to talk. The questions is too much. Ofaya na kwa ekunfi. Ofaya me te on ka che ekunfi na kwa bokode ekwadwuma na ekosai. Me say uguso a oye. I'm only here to ask questions and so allow me also to ask my questions. Please let's not address these issues politically. We need to come together as Ghanaians to fight these issues. Bright inside town or so bright they or they buy no bright. You know say and rain. What the MPP man is saying is true, pa. Okay, Udin Ahmad. Sir Mike, ask that tester if he remembers violence begot violence by Mark Wayongo from Shak Kumawood Podmasi. Okay. Maimra Cosmos. John Dramani Mahama say there is a need for all of us to come together and rescue this country from the hands of the bad leadership. Anado any Baumia led administration at the Abre. See the crime rate I cost so free wa who can once a year. What other bad leadership now, John Dramani Mahama can once a year?
Me am that's we the make chairman you Usubempa. Yeah, or chance atuma mabija no constituency.
We me call university.
Yeah, na machia
no e tatan pa.
NDC for nyina na machia me yere so so share.
Okay. Now mo yedi.
Married Mrs. Miriam Ponsan Sabin.
Miriam Ponsan
Sabin.
Auntie Mary, a chair nyumre why? Chair pa.
Minua. Ye can say. Ghana high. Minua kra wotiwi. Wo MPP ni o. Nanso one when we say near man day enkoye aside na dwuma na we hu so we so business kakra bu ncha we dey or pay multiple profit but near man koye but wanya dey be onka
we chief poultry farmer not so
yes
we shall go say
any right
a poultry farmers no omo na ebre pa they are suffering.
Okay, any over
we do talk to some of the people.
Oh, okay. Say formation.
So politics near night across board. Me be no amimura.
Mo bre.
Masa.
Adan.
Eni man koye mo. O meka ko kan ogu na ba eni ase. Me nua me hwe. Ene okọ ene cement boy say.
Cement.
Ni boy say.
Minimum 52 ni 51.
Yes. So we say as enkomo aye dey na equalization o ye dey be. Oh yeah. Comparison. Sabi de ehu hia sisi a eno mo ye kire yen Ghana for ena menu imu no yeko edwoma o mo say planting for food and job ena ebro roba say ena meko ye to ne say enya ado ye ahye no roba me ye to ne say ena mo sachet no 10 caps no ye to ne say ena petrol ye to ne say ufri am mo kokageti a say
I'm saying kay andamode anka ebe ye worse off.
O say
I'm saying andan.
Nyame mfa mo bone nche wo mu. Nyankopon onhuom pipi fo mo bo. Na omo mfa mo bone nche wo mu. Eni abro a omo bedi Ghana fo. Abro pa MPP fo ababa bedi Ghana fo. Mami kan se mi kiro. Na na do dan kokufu ado ne nam krom ha. Eni MPP fo Dr. Muhammad Baumia, Omunum Krumha, and education, free SHS. Minia. Oh, sir, Omo, I change syllables. So what I say, for 3 solid years textbooks, a teacher for you be fine.
3 years.
3 solid years. Oh, I say,
New syllabus na buy no.
Me say mo so ya mo nko grounds.
Books no buy.
A teacher for your books in Shamun Tradi.
I'm a teacher for some Namuntimin Casa.
Basic schools.
I must say,
culture of silence. Culture of silence, because we are being ready. And a Ghana, a human zunia. One here, be more automatic transfer. Bia. We would have who we are sell by. Under MPP. And MPP, even not gratin out for granting Casa. And MPP, ain't no institution in this country can speak out, say the name say name come in. Or no so head cent or head. Omo yomu tibin kasa. Odo ye bema bi wa no kasa me hwew. That is democracy. Ye build to Ghana no. Democracy started fourth republic. Ye started 1992. Aye draw constitution ye started implementing 1993. Emna former president late Lawrence obetena so. One look around here, think we're so jabino. And can be in cabino, would jabby be article. And then look at what is going on in this country. And it's a petrol war. And a deben yet to be torn or has a Ghana, a deben yet to be torn her. And go forward in Tron and Ada, and Mugusu Chagana Fontro. Into the Maranchi free Ghana has almost fix the country. MPP for the 10 million UAE. 10 million Ghana cedis, 10 billion Ghana some de what do you call it? Cocoa Road auditing. At the end of the day, Yantiman can send you 1, 2, 3, and I say, oh my bonibia day, oh Hormuti, Yanchum, or my was this can. That's the reason why I attach here, obey a minister of road and how when
attach here, no, a Western house.
No. That's Amaquata. Cocoa Rose, Omentman Yabakokra. Yabba Twaba.
And
Master Messia, Yabba Twaba. And say a year of Rose. Shamanumaya, Yende Tutuno. Monumaya, Quaya, anyway, ya know. Kumasia, Quaya, you win ya a quantity. That is MPP for you. And John Dramani Mohammed, you can see a reading, and some said that I go and judge a concron. Was a gun of one in Ayamua. Nayan two, Yanusian chair or pay. Na yenyi aban we say amemmo we kotobe kuma amemmo we a Ghana for no mo hu we say na yen rescue o man na mene ne adwen mene John Dramani Mahama he de adwen nya Dr. Muhammad Bawumia His Excellency Vice President no na ka say John Dramani Mahama abosia 30 billion ne betima ye factories makoma 200 o Ghana ha ebetimi ye secondary school over 600 ebetimi yi akwan o Ghana ha nyina enyo na kan 30 billion obe ababusia say o ma bobusia almost 200 million MPP for buy from 20 me say almost 200 billion and o ma bo what you say dey be no mo dia e debe no mo betimi appoint say weni but John Dramani Muhammad ye hu kuma secretary ye hu hospitals ye hu secondary schools ye hu akwan o ye hu market o ye e debe na MPP bet makate say wo mu be show bibi dia kire e debe
ye ne se for me
enti me nua me di ba be se form no John Dramani Mahama obeye niam bebre enti MPP for wo say planting for food and job am aduane ai dey aba ama obi bet edwom for ma na be ka kire Ghana for say agric minister wo kan nya no kure wo so ko edwom kura banche body a drone 5 cities nya sa no be nya Ghana kan o me ka je sanya no kure enti ntro no mu twa kire Ghana for enti se ye nyina ye boa ne ye kambom na Ghana for nyina eboa ne ye kambom ne ye tu MPP aban gu kam 2024 se de ama wo mawie de o mu penom de ye yen ye ni twa ye de ye ka ye ka se o mu fix country ye tutua ye taxes ya mo ma o mu se ye fix attitude me know the kind of attitude me bu say me nwe when timi an kan ba kokora anya de be antre me because me tua me tax yes o de ye adwuma say o de ye adwuma na oboa mo man ne koso no me nwe when timi an kan ba kokora anya de be antre do mu pe eno o mu ye o man no o ko kan o mu say fix yourself o ko kan o mu say fix yourself me nim adekura to sina Ghana for fix ye say so mu yi yakwan ene dum so no masa akwa fa ba Ghana hey masa akwa fa dum so de e de aba ye pa ye se nye de ye hunu amanfo nwuma egugu sa mining sector yo mu ko makoche excavators e ko generate judgment debt because according to 1992 constitution no sa wo chi act mining act no sa wo chi excavator bia e se wo hu se wo de be call police ne de court na court to get to say abaning fa but we do we want the wash no at the judgment debt and a bed ebeba.
Okay, I mean I say well Uguso Sinupi live on Kumawood television. Yabe Madaruma. Was a good evening, sir. Have you invited an MPP man to come and do funeral announcements? Still fix the country. Ken Techiman. Ken, minim dientia ubusa saadi ene die. We say flashback 2016, Ghanaians would learn a better lesson of a leader if Akufo-Addo is elected president of Ghana by incompetent Akufo-Addo and Bawumia government. Ken Nicholas, number 1, Sunyane, and I can't do it, Abba. Came into a in a see, but then all the same. With me, the baby, you are meet me, Abwa, I can kind Eddie Ama. Please, this is from James Atia, Director of Elections in charge of monitoring and monitoring new at the Biasi constituency. Okay, James. Okay, Yate, James. New at the Biasi. I think over the weekend now, me wo angona. Kojon kwanta angona. Kwa no ma say ye. Ho, Eddie Ama. Well, Sir Mike, sometimes greater part of our problem come from journalists. Instead of you to tell politicians on what is on the ground, you'd rather defend sometimes. Are you sure? How can a country changes its national curriculum for the past 2 years, close to 3 years, and there is no textbooks, and you are telling us to fix our attitude? This thing, I think the minister, the Director General of Education, Areho, and those who defend this, Mahama was a bad leader. That's why Ghanaians voted him out. Okay, Mr. John Dramani Mahama wants to come back. Was highly impossible. Ghanaians don't want any doomso anymore. Training nurses and teachers cannot afford to lose their allowances. God have mercy. From Prince Charles, high tension, stressful. Prince, Yanasi, I read your message. Please tell the NPP leaders to fix the country, well. Kojo from say Udumase. I don't know if I'm right. Say Udumase. And stop corruption and propaganda. Kojo, I think I've read your message. Udumase say, okay. Mamenko Chaman.
Samai.
Yes.
Here. One. Ye baha as panelists. Na ye be kasa.
Chama kaudi.
Ye tie. I was say ye tie so be.
Tactics.
So, if you come here as a panelist, you have to come and talk and to listen as well. Unti me emetenase kasa nkwa na ukasa abra unti ebi. E was so tie bi. If you say eboa, it makes room for intellectual discussion. Na mini no osi on minka ba ku krampo say on fixing attitude minka ba ko. Etie fo tie ye. Omunim ne mi ka fa your attitude ho ntemi nko ho no mu. Ensai mi bre. But number 1, John Dramani Mahama must understand and respect Ghanaians.
Former president.
The former president on fa obo any day e magana for.
Address him well.
Anantina mika sai. Yetu abatiao. Less than 7 months ago, Nkawunim country no fixing. Kayan to abanan tiao. Yet tiao in 2016. Uber back. Sir, Ghanaians have regretted voting against you to Musa vote to bill. And the Ghanaian people told you, sir, we have not regretted. We knew what we were doing. Yet to abatiao. If you say now we are incompetent. So, Inti onfa obo any day Emma Ghana for. Number 2, many otohoka textbooks sami. Nobody is defending it. But no fee said for the first time in the history of this country, in the absence of textbooks are all canon. Ghana won robotics competition against US, Canada, and UK. Ghana. It's a world award. Ghana won it. Ghana schools.
Okay. But are you aware, sir? Let me ask you this question. Are you aware, sir? 2 years after introducing 2 years after introducing a new syllabus in the country, textbooks have not been provided.
Were you listening to me?
We are aware.
Were you listening to me?
I was, but we are aware.
Yes. Were you listening to
me?
So
are you saying, sir, with despite all this, no, we are still better? Is that what you want to?
Destroying people, children's future.
Yes, sir.
It's Ramuka. Oh, minimum pa. So obi ti baby na sa wonimu nko ade or the end is at the show. I'm telling you. I'm being honest with you.
You can't intimidate me, so
no.
You are aware, so you can't.
I know that, but minimum.
So me, I'm
not. See. So obi ti baby na sa onimu pa ade or the end is at the show. And no so na me pen. So let's move on. For the first time in Ghana, these people refuse. Say Omeka and Yumapa. John Dramani Mahama, the former president, or he refused to. Omeka Yumapa Ekoso. Under his watch, how many automobile companies did we have in Ghana here assembling cars? How many?
20%.
Miss Bisa, how many?
Okay.
None. But you see, I can say VW is assembling here in Ghana. Peugeot is assembling here in Ghana.
Okay.
Nissan is assembling here in Ghana. This Chinese company, Tipper Trucks, they are assembling here in Ghana. So, inti sa or say or do Ghana party in your own car and you mapa kosu numreno na ebini hono onka ebi enchira Ghana for na Ghana for nim enye ne na obeka say Ghana for MPMra embeto abama in 2024 na look before I land no John Dramani Mahama me say former president order ya makara. You know the meaning of ya makara?
No, please.
Obi awada amaya kojano. Sana ekoso. He lives in NDC. NDC for na cause in the downfall. NDC for ya and the cause in the downfall. Omu shadapa emanu lucie. NDC for ya no omu leaky documents bibrebe. Emma journalists. Omu John Dramani Mahama ye.
Oh, okay.
And I believe he knows that. I believe he knows that. So, and this is for ya omwana causing the downfall.
Okay.
Until sa opese onye power edibium na. Then I wish he could join MPP. Because there's no way. What's tax na okayano? Or say Emma so da. Say the former president John Dramani Mahama. Ebe sa be president oh Krumha. Enye yeda. If he said number one, not only succession plan. Now nibi. Intina omutna si causing the downfall. Me person me can you be what TV so.
Would you agree, sir?
I have evidence of sana omu planning kicking out. Nti otiemia.
How many kicking out?
Or you mean you penny on frame. NDC for na the causing the downfall.
Oh, so you Ghana for who say omomode.
NDC for na no mu share the causing the downfall. NDC for na causing the downfall.
Okay. So what he's saying is that Nana Bawumia led administration are failing Ghanaians.
In which sense? On Timinka, and one say Nana Bawumia has failed Ghanaians. Failed in what? Failed in bringing senior high school free.
Failed in education.
Failed in bringing
health.
Oh, Maminka, Emma. Maminka, come on. Say free senior high school. It's not failed. Nurses and teachers allowance is not a fail.
Okay.
Planting for food and jobs is not fail. All those things were promises that have been delivered.
Okay.
One district, one factory is not a fail.
Amesaba.
It has been delivered.
Okay.
Until then, John Dramani Mahama say, Akufo-Addo, anybody or more failing, onka esisuputi nehu. Because there's none.
Okay. I was opportunity be aba my men fam man wa ohwe me wo dun kwa wo ha fasini bia wo bia Ghana aposo tu kwan ko Dubai wo kono wo nko for excursion wo kwa koye adwuma enya bia da ama wa ye adwuma be mfie miensa mfie nan wo wie kwa pese renew contract asa renew the amanwa na me kanfo awa travel and logistics ɛna ɛde ama wɔ awa travel and logistics sɛ yɛn kan kyerɛ sɛ in 3 months ɔgye visa ama do akɔ Dubai no ɔmo adwuma wasanya bi ada kama nti adwuma bi apɛ sɛ ɔkɔyɛ bi no sɛ yɛ carpentry sɛ yɛ driving ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ adwuma wɔ airport wɔ Dubai apɛ sɛ ɔyɛ cleaning ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔkyerɛ ade nyinaa no a opportunity no ɛwɔ hɔ ɛde ma wei January 3 months na wɔn sa kan biara sika no kɔ wɔn nika anya ansa ho ɔyɛ biara wie ansa na wagye sika no kululu biara enim bɔmɔden a na ɛfa ho bɛda ho bɛ so tu kwan ko ade amɛntra Ghana na after 4 years no wɔn san bɛ complain sɛ ne mo ayɛ den a you can travel sika kra bi na fa bra bo no so wɔ fam pa wo bɛ frɛ ɔmo 0552 373 027 0552 373 027 afi na ɔmo agye so sanso na aseda enko na mfima Kumawood Training Institute ya ka kyerɛw say the only training institute that yenye nipa more than 50 emom training at a time trainers no dɔɔso enso mpe nipa more than 50 ketua bi ketuwesew nya dodo awura na ya kyerɛw na watumi ate ase yie ekwan fa so a obɛyɛ snail enwa obɛyɛ mire 3D ekwan fa so a obɛyɛ fertilizers ana se the freno the model spray we the size no ni nyina no ye kyerɛw am watumi ahunu ye pa enya agro da ko na de kyerɛw we am certificate ya sama pen drive na ya kyerɛw bi obenya nneɛma ne bi atɔ na so watumi aye bi beats ahwene wo de mpaboa wo de ye eche wo de ye bags ene wo de ye bi ato nsa ebia eno so nyamre etumi kyerɛw tomato paste ni na so ye kyerɛw na nyame admo on the 17th ena eba so ndi baba ho sie 300 Ghana cedis pe ena ye giwo eba so Atenga Junction Kumasi opese obabi medical register 50 Ghana so maame so for asore ma nante ne mama wo mawie school mu nya adwuma nye amu asore mu mabo wo no mbesua bi na entumi emwa na mo nso no enya bibi emfa emwa abusua no mba asore nso a wo nya bi atumi ato ofen ama crime no esu atumi ate enti na ese ufiri kro ba ko asofa akum na mo ba ama nipa be 5 a ye ba kusika chemo mo ba mo de aye shopping kofie na afia gye nipa 9 esika umpewe na apede ebra na entimi emma skill training no na afia entimi emwa obefre 0244 294 066 0244 294 066 na afia no yetumi register ama nyame adwa 17th no wonso watumi ababe me voice note amode aba yenti akra emra yeba de aka no Okay, say good evening, host. Ajoso. You from me inside the corner. Okay. Yamisha money to my pa moyi. Oisha so. Yami oma station no and kwani money no crack. Modi. Amen. Yamisha person me for my pastor. No have a very good program. Yami bwana program no entry kwani mo na nipa etino nyina be hu kure na obatumi enso afasa no kwani so edi akwa na edi achichi yema bedama awole no boss akutama edi kasa fili hello yeah the kasa fili odi kwa no say Ubisa MPP ni not to what say. I didn't tell the BBA near. Where are the other new one who go in near Cocape? No more of John Mahama. But the guy said, I didn't the Ghana for John Mahama if he's near to buy the Alamo. But still, we'll bring John Mahama. But just sense of what kind of just I never quit. Just I never quit. Say, I'm not sure what I say. John Mahama, I did the Sunya, Anthony, don't buy. Okay. Yeah, so that's it.
And no more money I was organizing. I for some. You know, for some. I'm going to the one. What am I going to try? Oh, one of these. That's it. And I'm going to come on for. So a lady knock. What kind of cray? Also, massage. What kind of cray? So, you bring the pandemic my shop. I put time over for our friend who was away on the yes. And then, I saw a it could be cracking again. Shocking,
okay, Shaki, and I see.
I'm bright, calling from Thanos Kumasi.
Okay, bright.
Issues now more deliberating on, and this in the Nunya did no one yet. Because issue a political issue. And it's for them pretty this. I do not say faces or mine who the politics. And the government, and I said, Nanado, and the president, Nanado is excellency. And the doctor, the Bakunitiana. Meanwhile, at your reign, no next, no one is no one attributed that to your government. So, as a Ghana, you have to stand up. You have fixing yourself. Or more, try fixing it. Because it's not like we are on your
okay.
A citizen.
Can I say?
Say, Mike, morning. Good evening.
Yeah, just so.
Me give this up here.
I'm your dome.
I like you know, Casano. What's it? Of Zwampo for Case. Roma, a minor area, ungovernable. It's an say. A Kufuado 2016 Ebetoba, on a trick of be a month for Kurosu. Oh, South Africa, so not train or only party. Kufu. Why the first to do? Why the first to Kipano? Why didn't you for jump of Yen? You don't come, Mama. And then I to you. So, Mike, what my catcher say? What will be free? America said, Ometi, Upati. Could photo bit to do. And so, or not to my yourself, what I saw by President and Lucido. It's a sort more training woman. Not the way, just say.
Okay.
No one who fought the America all die be die. Yeah, good evening, Mike.
My Joso.
Yeah,
that's it.
Yes. Why are they? You say, more any the power say, your mama crying out, which me poor or mine, it's me calling. Tell you, see, do man of manage your power. Now, why are they near cancer in the show?
Amen.
So, Mike, I'll say, MVP, you know, all prepare. I'll say, simple questions about no Pisana L8 Monday. Simple answers. Now, you want me answer. Now, opposite Chichima, a church, a final coffee baby. Why are they shooting the goalposts? What is it? Mostly President Mahama and one homody. As far as crime rate is concerned, and you know, yen pamu no ko janje. Na mo mra na mo force na mo nyetuma. Na mo make sure say your security no e be dey. E be tumi jina de na so na ti me mo fo no enya hoto etima ye o maduma. Ama ya bra bo so tumi akoso. And you jai ade no akonya de maamo. Say you people are in control. What you say? And if you look at the crime rate right from 2017 up to 2021, Massa, I did not say climate up abysmally. So what you say? And see, you can say, yeah, you see, to me, and classic. And yeah, they my quiet Massania one of ICC or my.
Okay.
It is the time for the president and then the minister's name, the executive's name, one fine and telephone now, or much me at Ichina.
That's it.
Now, was it? And my yes, said the baby papa at Ichina.
That's it.
What is it? If you look at
that's it. Well, yeah, in see, Monfancha, maybe I didn't me. I'm all there. But I don't know, Fache pa Master Planner Kintampo. I'm surprised at what the NDC man is saying and what the NDC members are doing, trying to cause tension everywhere. Ex-President Mahama is on record to have said when it comes to hooliganism, no party beats the NDC. Ghanaians, please never think of bringing this party back into power. Greetings, day, Abba. We also say, good evening, Sir Mike. NPP should be very careful because Ronaldo is small killing the party. Brafunmu Dupa, small. Okay. The reality on the ground is Ghanaians are really disappointed in the Akufo-Addo's governance. Since 1960, this administration is the worst ever Ghana has had. If we are sorry, Mampong and Abba, we say Ghana, we love Nana Addo. He is a good leader by Nyama from Apeja. Nyama also there, also there, Apeja Abba, and no. Also good evening, Sir Mike. I like your show. Keep on doing the great work. Regards to the panelists, okay? So yeah, say when you show no message is not dorsal, but na yemfa ensi emre no enya aye emre no enya aye emre na afi yemfa ensi chawa.
Yes.
Any sorry.
Me da system ai.
Na me amfa me call me course.
Na NDC for no bit 80 abontina omu send me messages.
Okay.
So omu nsuro me de no mumra.
Okay.
Me card e kire oni akunu oni mu no ho. See as you up my game.
Evangelist ana.
Namo sana oka.
Evangelist which plan na.
Me say so nsuro me a. Sa me mo biadi. Enye onu ko na send me o. E ba ku so bi ni. E ba ku so bi ni.
Okay.
O si chairman pa. E da na wo pa kire. Me say so usuro me ha bra.
Sita sedu ana.
Me say omumra studio ha. No me share me. Namo na minka evangelist there. O si na me say fire tender and fire hydrant.
Yeah.
Fire hydrant no near carry water no. So and a tender near omudi shooty we no. So I was saying
because hydrant there baby where you get the water from no?
Yes.
And then the hydrant no.
And that's the one.
And then market 2 man no okokrumo o market kata so.
Okay. And no na me ka say you fix your attitude say obi betina baby. When you say fire hydrant wo hono was sick concrete and the kiosk is okay. And no government president embe fixing on now. That's why I brought the fire hydrant in there. Okay. But the tenders is what shoot the water to quench the fire.
Yeah, I see.
Evangelist.
Okay.
Yancha
evangelist Richard Pra. Senior. Echana nyumre. Nyamisha pa. Well, Cosmos.
Me da see.
Yeah. Ofata.
Ofata me chia no.
Okay.
Me boss no. Me who say mini or can say who say omo pa equalization enye who bi o ti Cote d'Ivoire kra ni bokura afu
take Mahama
and who na na kwa kwaro ebe dey o ba sambo cars wazi na we papa ya o ye cars kojo safo na cars ya we ne Ghana he enti na nka ye ntimi resource no ye ntimi nso na sene na wo mie ne factory ni mu ma se kasa obe asambu be wi a adon car no ya ye distil na wi o ene ya ye ne ties na wi e na wo be hye ne just like that o se do be hye abobo ya ne praje o Ghana hayo ebi no na na do dan kwa kufu ado to walanchi a wo de ye dede o Ghana hayo
it doesn't matter what
any percent wo de be fa
radio men say well yeah na say we say Ghanaians should forget JDM because he has nothing good for them. Kumawood is the best president by all standard runs from Kumasi. Mahama, bye. No more. We don't need you again.
Mahama will come back.
Okay, also the message is not done, but I'm fine. Me say, I'm meant to me and ready. Nina and to me, I'm fine. But Nyabutame, now, well, Mote Cosmos, or Sajefo. Sebian Enka or NPP, sorry, NDC Regional Communication Team member, Motin Nkasa, so and Moti, Chairman Inusa Sedu, and so NPP Regional Communication Team member, Ashanti Regional Director Hefra, Moti, and also Enka Ofia Midin, and it's Mike once again on behalf of Mr. the late Kwajo Donkos family, Ewo Anguna. In the Ashanti region, Fumuso area, emo wi bia obejae na 120 years eno nya obejae no abusuafo nyina se mo bia do bia se nyame so bia de mo hwe bia so nyame onhye mo na medin it is Mike, my producer Benadade, executive producer Sam Dakus, also and production manager Otri Nozo, MCR VTR, Loretta and Augustina, and DOP cameraman, the hard working, and then the very gentleman in the house, Kawachi, Kobe Frank, and so I don't know, and the director, Samuel Kwabena Dak. It Mike nyame ya dom na odom ye na ode yankwa che ya ochena no nan ekosi no nsia ye besan ehia ya kram
Enyarwa hodo ben na agi ni padua no aboso ya rebi ti se eni yawe akoma yawe wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo mekanfo tahwid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yawe nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie ni padua no ne titiw ede ma emma wonoma wo fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonic eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama won fidie wa waso ye de ba adwaman so ye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic ewo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne yewo Madam Katri clinic yarwe nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agi atum se eye
well awolpia obusia ye say ifiri mu mo ye de den ti meslewa wina fa kokko wi na se dia wa woni tua wo fa se no mo ye de na ma menti wo de wina na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye diduma na ma me wai slewa ti ebusia yenko no Kumase mo ko no Kumase
Martin Luther oh na it's been a long time oh yeah me say minia obra kwantu ya o semina na ma yan ka twene ahwedan yo ne busu afani asoma me semina me pada e wo Kumase akamara na me so ya chini ye nya da ka yi na nsani o na nsemu na what that's why what shia me we need problem cra wo beje di say me free Dubai betru Ghana ana me na confident wo to na na mo nsia do ne je yi ni bo me so e wa brede me ni kapre odu obi na kira me Ghostway casket shop e wo Kumase labor haya me ko ho no ma ana mo sa ne me yes kan hye o wo de bi ntwa wa no misika ya di ma me se me papa no iswa afi so yese me ambulance na me sam fe de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omu ya ambulance service into ni problem kra ani na ye here ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know say Kumase stay by plan no ye kona mko tira o some Ghostway casket shop here ye wona ka me bere te se de mu hu ni na Ghostway casket shop ye wo Kumase in front of New Town ye the labor office na ben Ghostway casket shop we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Yasai ababio. Se die. Yase. Ye ma ye tiefo. Ene ya hwefo nyina. Esua ensano dwuma. Wei eye ensano dwuma. Ene ti se woni ensano dwuma. Bomodian se obenya ensano dwuma. Entra Ghana ha se obaye dwuma ba kope na wodi ayeye. Dabi esese wonya dwuma bebre. Eka dwuma wo ye ho. Sana ye tu kwa abrochi a ye no. Eno nti bra ne besua adwuma ni bi. Eka odwuma bi a wo ye eho. Eno nti se die. Ye de adwuma foforo ene de aba. Ye be chirechiro bees making. Eye senia ye sidi ahwene eye chain, eye bags, eye mpaboa, eye niema bebre. Branie nchiro senia si eye no. Mushroom farming. Eno ye senia si edua emre. Unim se ubetime de na hotwe mienu pe edua emre amana fifi abokama. Ama watime atu adi ana watime atu akoton. Branie nchiro senia si eye no. Ye nuanom akuafoe ye gusu afrem se momra na mombesua senia si ye we decide edura ye digun haban so ama ne hye ehye ase kura babra entimi enka aduane na ewo mu no brane enche ose de sie no snail farming bra se ne si eyen enwa obetima yen enwa ama na nyini kama ama won so wakoton e de anya wusika wotimi de aye won kwan baba baby brand new chills in the sea no ye be sans what chill 3D epoxy and a 5D epoxy say there someone wonim say 3D and 5D epoxy we ye wo dem a et strength afei so ye be sans so a chill liquid soap sa liquid soap yi wo betimi aton ye be chill shower gel eye sinesi ye shower gel ama edi dware ama ye honam aye trom bra na ye chill sinesi aye brown sugar a wo de be ye oniema bebre aton asanya sika ye be san so akere mu sinesi ye power zone afei so ye be chill sinesi aye tomato paste no eno ene ye frɛ no tea tomatoes bra na ye chill kama na fa ye woduane obetimi so aye akoton ama wonya sika bebre ye be san so akere ice cream wo ye de show fridge ma de sanima we nyina ye chiro ne ye jo 300 Ghana cedis pe obedi kan asend 50 Ghana cedis na afei ye de register at the amount ye register wa so fra chiri ana wo ba na e buku ba bi obeda eno achi no ye de bi ebe handout at the amount ye be san so aye pen drive video ana se ne ye be chire ne nyina so ye de be guso na at the amount in case say ure fi bibia no wa fa no wa play no wa hwe no wa kaka ne nyina afei so ye be ma wo aduane adi wo lunch a obedi na wia ne de ye de be ma wo ne nyina ka 300 Ghana cedis a obetua ne ho na ya sa kire enema wo be nyina we de eye fofofo se wo pese obesua sansa no nyuma we nyina ene bomodi ase ebi we de obeba esanse se wie sa nema ya boboso nyina ye de foforo ene beba eye dakope ene ye de e kire wo eye Saturday 17th July mu ni da etoso edunson ene ye no eda ba akope ye de be kire wo nema we nyina kama pa eno ti no fa number da eda screen so no na send you mobile money edi man sesi a o send 50 Ghana cedis na wo ba wo de 250 Ghana cedis no edi aba send ko 0244294066 0244294066 afei so obetimi afre sa number ya egu screen so nyina na afei ya register aye 0244294066 channel so say aye number ba ko pe and that screen so friends see na ya register ma aye 0244294066 friends see na ya register ma say ka se Kumawood Training Institute no so say ensanu djuma ahimfie beye butu
Oti animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya djuma me mene da okay kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo betome ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini enwo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so wo ho so a me ne wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai ni nyina onom wasa glue an kasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi wo ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba bonten enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be kono say abɛyɛ mremremre okay a wo ba nyem easily piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ena osukɔ na ohaw eda oso no mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam wusika ena ayira na hwehwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwa atibie
kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern region eho ena malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piao
Enyaruwa hodo ben na agi nipadua no aboso yare bi ti se eni yare akomayare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo mekanfo tahwid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy so betu yare nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie nipadua no ne titiw ede ma emma wonu ma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wonu Madam Katri tonic eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso a ye de abadwaman so a ye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintanyi nyina edi Katri clinic ewo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne ewo Madam Katri clinic yarwe nyina last stop
FD ya hwehwe sei dwadi ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
well all pia obusia ye say free mu mo ye de den ti be slower mina fa kokko wi na se dia wa woni tua wo fa se no mo ye de na ma menti de mina na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye diguma na ma me wai slower ti ebusia yenko no Kumase na mo ko no Kumase
Martin Luther. Oh, nah. It's been a long time. Oh, yeah. Missy. Minya. Obra kwentu yawo. Semina na ma yanka twenani ahwedan yo. Na bisia pani asoma me. Semina me pada ka. E Kumase akamara. Na me se ya chini. Ye yada ka yi. Yeah, Nansani. Nansani mwana that's why. What she am me we need problem cry. Who be just say me free Dubai betu Ghana. Ana me na na confidential. What one na no ansia do. Me je yi ni for me so. E wa brede me ni kapre. Odu obi na kire me go free casket shop. Ah e wo Kumase labor hire. Me ko ho no ma. Anu musa ni me yes kan hye yo. You dey be ntwa no. Misika ya di ma me se me famra no. Iswa abezu ya se me ambulance. Na me sam pede ya di bede da no enka ambulance. Ani de be da ho. Omu ya ambulance service into any problem kra. Ani na. Ye here ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase. You know say Kumase stay by plan o. Ye ko nam ko kira o. Some Cosway casket shop here. Ye wona kame bere. Te se de mu wi na. Cosway casket shop. You wo Kumase Infantile town. Ye di labor office na ben. Cosway casket shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Yasai ababio. Se die. Yase. Ye ma ye tiefo. Ene ya hwefo nyina. Esua ensano dwuma. Wei eye ensano dwuma. Ene ti se woni ensano dwuma. Bamodian se obenya ensano dwuma. Entra Ghana ha se obaye dwuma ba kope na wodi ayeye. Dabi esese wonya dwuma bebre. Eka dwuma wo ye ho. Sana ye tu kwa abrochi a ye no. Eno nti bra ne besua adwuma ni bi. Eka odwuma bi a wo ye eho. Eno nti se die. Ye de adwuma foforo ene de aba. Ye be kyerɛkyerɛ bees making. Eye senia ye sidi ahwene eye chain, eye bags, eye mpaboa, eye ye niema bebre. Brane enkyerɛw senia si eye no. Mushroom farming. Eno ye senia si edua emre. Unim se obetimi de na wotwe mienu pɛ edua emre amana fifi abokama. Ama wotimi atu adi ana wotimi atu akoton. Brane enkyerɛw senia si eye no. Ye nuanom akuafoe ye gusu afrem se momra na mombesua senia si ye we decide. Edura ye digu haban so ama me hye ase kura babra entimi enka aduane na ewo mu no brane enche se de sie no snail farming bra se ne esi eyen enwa obetima yen enwa ama na nyini kama ama won so wakoton e de anya wusika wotimi de aye won kwan papa bi brane enche se de sie no ye besan so kyerɛw 3D epoxy and 5D epoxy se de se mo amonim se 3D and 5D eposi wo ye wo dem a ete shren afei so ye be san so akyerɛw liquid soap sa liquid soap yi wo betimi aton ye be kyerɛw shower gel eye sinesi ye shower gel ama edi dware ama ye honam aye trom bra na ye kyerɛw sinesi eye brown sugar a wo de be ye oniema bebre aton asanya sika ye be san so akyerɛw mo sinesi ye powerzone afei so ye be kyerɛw sinesi eye tomato paste no eno ane ye frɛ no tea tomatoes bra na ye kyerɛw kama na fa ye woduane obetimi so aye akoton ama wonya sika bebre ye be san so akyerɛw ice cream wo ye de show fridge ma de sanima we nyina ye kyerɛw na ye jew 300 Ghana cedis pe obedi kan asende 50 Ghana cedis na afei ye de register e de amount ye register wa so ofra chiri ana wo ba na ye buku ba bi obeda eno achi no ye de bi ebe handout e de amount ye be san so aye pen drive video ana se ye be kyerɛ ni nyina so ye de be guso na e de amount in case se ure fi bibia na wa fa na wa play na wa hwɛ na wa kaka ni nyina afei so ye be ma wo aduane adi wo lunch a obedi na wia ne de ye de be ma wo ni nyina ka 300 Ghana cedis a obetua ne ho na ya san kyerɛw enema wo nyina we de eye fofofo se wo pese obesua sansa no nyuma we nyina ene ebomodi ase ebi we de obeba esan se ye wie sa enema ya bobo so nyina ye de foforo ene beba eye dakope ene ye de kyerɛw eye Saturday 17th July mu ni da etoso edunson ene ye no eda ba akope ye de be kyerɛw enema we nyina kama pa eno ti no fa number na eda screen so no na send your mobile money ede man sesi a o send 50 Ghana cedis na wo ba wo de 250 Ghana cedis no ede aba send call 0244294066 0244294066 afei so obetimi afrɛ sa number ya egu screen so nyina na afei ya register aye 0244294066 channel so say aye number ba ko pɛ ana da screen so frɛnsesi a na ya register ma aye 0244294066 frɛnsesi na ya register ma say ya kase Kumawood Training Institute a no jiso say ensanu djuma ahimfie beye butu
Oti animudia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya adwuma me mene da okay kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da oda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afi na ne tini mo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai bi ni nyina onom wasa gulu an kasa nkra no wasa twi gulu ka ho me ne wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba bonten enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be hu no say ebeye mremremre okay wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ena sukọ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsem utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM and now be free 0246 647 247 0246 647 247. Eya TB na intumi emwa. Piao.
And Yarwa would obey and Ajini Pediano Abosso. Yarebi to say, and Yarie, Akumayare, Wadumwatsu, Wuntimin Didi, Obani Berima Wuntimin War. May comfort a read naturopathic clinic at Dudona Efraye, Madame Katri Clinic Diamau, Madame Katri Clinic Enam Homeopathy, Naturopathy Subetu Yarenina Efriho. Yane Kofabaye, de Madame Katri Tonic Abe Jamaiso, a bois yesi ni Pediano, Nitichu Edema and Ma, one no man will feature call NCC ye. So one no Madame Katri Tonica, a bow, Emma Winnie Pediano, any year now. Wama ufichi konso aye kama ye won fidie wa waswa ye de be adwa man so aye de hwehwe di pedue nimu eyi ya ro do ahintani nyina edi Catherine Clinic ewo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne yewo Madam Catherine Clinic ya re nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwadi ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
well all pia obusia ye say ifiri mu mo ye de den it be slower we na fa kokko we film na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo aye dena ma me de we na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye diguma na ma me wai so wa ke busa yenko Kumase mun ko Kumase
Martin Luther
oh na it's been a long time oh yeah
me say minia obra kwantu ya o semina na ma yanka twenani ahwedan yo na busuya pani asuma me semina me pada o Kumase akamara na me so ye chini ye nya daka yi
na nsani na mo that's why we shia me dey we need problem fra wo be dey say me free Dubai be turu Ghana ana me na na confident wo to na no ansia do ne je yi ni promise so e wa brede me ni kapre odu obi na kire me go straight casket shop e wo Kumase labor haya me ko ho no ma anu musa ni me yes kan hye hye o wo de bi ntwa no misika ya di ma me se me papa ni so abezu ya se me ambulance na me sam fa de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omu ya ambulance service into any problem kra ani na ye here ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know say Kumase stay by plan o ye kona mko tira o some Cosway casket shop here ye wona ka me bere te se de mu hu na Cosway casket shop ye wo Kumase in front of New Town ye di labor office na ben Cosway casket shop we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Yasai ababio. Say dear. Yase. Ye ma ye tiefo. Ene ya hwefo nyina. Esua ensano djuma. Wei eye ensano djuma. Ene ti se woni ensano djuma. Bamodian se obenya ensano djuma. Entra Ghana ha se obaye djuma ba kope. Na wodi ayeye. Dabi asese wonya djuma bebre. Eka djuma wo ye ho. Sana ye tu kwa abrochi a ye no. Eno nti bra. Ne besua adjuma ni bi. Eka wo djuma bi a wo ye eho. Eno nti se de ye de adjuma foforo ene de aba. Ye be chirechire bees making. Eye senia ye sidi ahwene eye chain, eye bags, eye mpaboa, eye niema bebre. Brand enchiro senia si eye no. Mushroom farming. Eno ye senia si edua emre. Unim se ubetime de na wotwe mienu pe edua emre amana fifi abokama. Ama wotime atuadi ana wotime atu akoton. Brand enchiro senia si eye no. Ye nuanom akuafoe ye gusu afrem se momra na wombesua senia si ye we decide edura ye digun haban so ama me hye ase kura babra entimi enka aduane na ewomu no brane enche se de sie no snail farming bra se ne esi eyen enwa obetima yen enwa ama na nyini kama ama won so wakoton e de anya wusika wotimi de aye won kwan papa bi brane enche se de sie no ye besan so akireo 3D epoxy na 5D epoxy se de samo amonim se 3D and 5D epoxy wo ye wo dem a ete shren afei so ye besan so akireo liquid soap sa liquid soap yi wo betimi aton ye be kire shower gel eye sinesi ye shower gel ama edi dware ama ye honam aye trom bra na ye kyerɛ sinesi aye brown sugar a wode ba ye oniema bebre aton asanya sika ye be sanso akyerɛ mo sinesi ye powerzone afei nso ye be kyerɛ sinesi aye tomato paste no eno ane ye frɛ no tea tomatoes bra na ye kyerɛ kama na fa ye waduane obetimi so aye akoton ama wonya sika bebre ye be sanso akyerɛ ice cream wo ye de show fridge ma de sani ma we nyina ye kyerɛ na ye gyew 300 Ghana cedis pe obedi kan asende 50 Ghana cedis na afei ye de register e de amount ye register wa so ofra chiri na wo ba na ye boku ba bi obeda eno achi no ye de bi ebe handout e de amount ye be sanso aye pen drive video anase ye be kyerɛ ne nyina nso ye de be guso na e de amount in case say owura fi bibia na wa fa na wa play na wa hwɛ na wa kaka ne nyina afei nso ye be ma wo aduane adi wo lunch a obedi na wia ne de ye de be ma wo ne nyina ka 300 Ghana cedis a obetua ne ho na ya san kyerɛ enema wo be nyina we de eye fofofo se wo pese obesua sansa no nyuma we nyina ene bomodi ase ebi we de obeba esanse se wie sa ne ma ya boboso nyina ye de foforo ene beba eye dakope ene ye de e kyerɛ eye Saturday 17th July mu ni da etoso edunson ene ye no eda ba akope ye de be kyerɛ ne ma we nyina kama pa eno ti no fa number da eda screen so no na send mobile money ede ma ye sesi a o send 50 Ghana cedis na wo ba wo de 250 Ghana cedis no ede aba send call 0244294066 0244294066 afenso obetimi afresh sa number ya egu screen so nyina na afei ya register aye 0244294066 channel so say aye number ba ko pe and that screen so friends see na ya register ma aye 0244294066 friends see na ya register